What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have more to share with Uno on the Lion Man situation with Mika and Big C, my people. You see it, so we're gonna get in at that, right? Also, Ivany drop a next video upon our OF, and the first person to come out come this hour is Mr. Derek. Hey, people, we are going to hear what Derek have to say about Ivany saying, and then Derek alone come this Ivany, you know, my people. Pretty than come this Ivany, wicked too. So when Derek this Ivany is like, me see a video, two different video with Derek and this Ivany, you know, one of them very short, but me have the longer version. So me I say the short version, me have to run go look it up. You see me? And you know the website they will put it up more while. We come to boom and go over one of them and look it up, and you know what I mean? It's like for a man like me who is a blues connoisseur, it never enticed me none at all. Me don't know if I good, you know, good, or just because I watch so many exciting blues make that coming like nothing to me. You see me, I say, boy, I would pay my money if you look on that, none at all. I would never, let me say this, I will never pay for watch no blues, none at all, when you have blues free. You can just type in and get blues free. So why would I pay for blues? You mad? I coulda the queen will drop out. I get some hard backers by a black man like myself with a long something, and I mash her up, more to pay for watch it. You see me, I say, and then the morning them when me hear in that video, me I say, oh God, what is this? You see me, I say, but this may be true because me have ITS in them something there make this look less than mediocre to me. You know what I mean? But people, we don't know say Ivany that you have people who are going to see it. You know what I mean? So anybody will see it, just tell me what you think. Me prefer the one them with she by herself. The one that we see with she by herself I go on, that look good. But me feel like say she did a try too much on that one, yeah. You know what I mean? Me not really like it like that. But people, we're going to talk some more when we reach the Eric and the pretty damn thing. Seeing, so yeah, people, Jawas, Annie, Anna, no Anna, Mika, the Lion Man, the whole of them. We're going to jump in it right now, my people, and maybe we'll add more things as we go on. So this is all the things me have to share with you, right? So make we get in it.
Me see the one Ivan loungewear and the Rasta boy, me here, the Rasta boy where Shannon go. What do you think on Olifan? Yeah, on Olifan, them say the boy are 19-year-old. Them say the boy are 19 years old. 19 years old, the boy is 19 years old. And the 19 years old boy in an Ivany hole. What me say, in an Ivany all hole, the hole not turn good, the hole beat out, tired out and everything. And me hear some my man I do a bad. That a Nicky Semar's friend I do him the one when they can't blame them. Him I give them wicked cussing to blood clot. Hard Rosealee, in cuss totally wicked. Rosealee and Ivan in my class drunk a rotten blood clot. Hey, war murder. And then look you know, blame them friend Nicky Semar's not say a word no blood clot cause Susie love the mix up. She not said nothing of the argument, me love. Hey, murder. Yes, at that me I tell you now, Nicky now say one thing about it. Cause when Blambe in the box, when a class, blood clot, Ivany, but the dirty boy, where she got breed for. Hey, and then we got to take up on 19-year-old boy. Then gone our whole family gone sex. They put out the video. Yes, love, yes, that's all. Ivan, you look at watch this girl when Ivan on TikTok. You look at dirty girls. Ivan, that's all I'm you know. Ivan, go both ways, my love. You know how she breed. A long time from she there Jamaica, she a goggle, put and a suck front. She suck front, she suck pussy. I be a promote, she suck pussy. Come here guys on TikTok, she suck pussy.
Vanya, you see why I tell us if you go clean up your wall. Mama, you think like a garbage truck to blood clot and I go clean out your pussy and make people fucky. Illy boy cock soft. And he not even want to kiss you for show you the scent way in the blood clot room. Girl like you, we use a filter, them a hide the thinking scent. That can't help you, my friend. The boy alone show us in there have a holder because he don't want to even kiss you for your mouth nor for your shoulder. You want your hole to clean up, me tell you this, go get some bleach, go get some J's, go get 2 lime and a garlic. Go and go push them up in your hole because right now, you can't see it, the filter for your front a little sell your front for you because your front think like a garbage truck. Move your blood clot, the boy cocky soft and you hold him on a blood clot nature for you. You run down man and can't keep them a dildo alone there for you. Not the one of me bill for 3 bills. Crazy.
Clot pick me. Big
fall,
C no go like your blood clot smaddy. Because you and Fabia did my blood clot girl Big C that you me a blood clot talk to. You can't bring down no blood clot by the big thinking blood clot church out old girl. You can't bring down nobody.
Cocky
the one with the fan blood clot social media, yes a bitch. You know better than no blood clot body, know that. Just like how Jaden there with my blood clot daughter, I saw Jaden blood clot there with you. Thinking blood clot, girl, the boy did not play the game on the 2 boat blood clot side. Me not take up no blood clot side for you. Me not take up nothing for your bumbo clot, girl. Big Seed, me see you in a blood clot club. You look mash up when Jaden left you. You never have no yellowish nothing. You're there in the crowd that either watch Jaden dick. Me
money now make fear, that's why.
Well on there. Do you know? Now me and you in the club when Big Seed in the blood clot club I watch blood clot Jaden. Eh?
Yeah.
Now Jaden in the club with blood clot me Kabo. Eh? So thinking blood clot girl, you look stretch out all the bleachings, rub out no blood clot Big Seed. Big C, all the 3 bleachings just rub out your Fred Pan blood clot Jaden. You come at the blood clot club, everybody have proof that's so. You reach young at Jabba's club, you look mash up no blood clot. No, you
mash up man, to mash up. That's why she come to get
off a blood clot Jaden, don't you girl. So nobody come go on like you're better than blood clot me Kabo. Girl, you's a girl like this, you see Fabi with a good blood clot man. And girl, your blood clot jealous of a Fabi blood clot man. You run down blood clot Jaden and think you're not going to get the same blood clot treatment. Thinking blood clot, girl.
She bet she worse than Mika.
Blood clot, Fabi.
Mika take her from Jaden from her.
So me no know how
Mika, she not like a Mika, just come like a jar with her man.
She run down Jaden like a blood clot dog. And you come go like you're special. You never blood clot special drunk row. Dirty bad mind girl. You can't know say you're bad mind from beginning. Because your bad mind blood clot Fabi thinking girl. Your bad mind blood clot Fabi for your blood clot man. And you think say not go own up the blood clot man. Why the man did not play blood clot game with the boat and own thinking girl. Big thinking church out blood clot girl go suck your mother. And that me say. No man. You can't come blood clot, you want to come feel like you want to come argue with me. After that, you blood clot get used. If my daughter get used, you get used too.
But me not see Mika get the use, because man still around Mika, she the man of the road. So
but you want no funny it is? You want no funny it is? The man come meet we. The man come meet we to blood clot. And you run come down with the blood clot man. You run come with the blood clot man. The man turn up the not pay you no mind. Not even a drink the man can't come give you girl. And you turn up out the door first in a blood clot. So the fuck you come go like your blood clot things. Eh? Big C make move a blood clot and go from you. So you're special. You need to go take care of your bleaching because from Jaden left you to blood clot you get dark out. You get blood clot dark out. Go suck your mother in that
money done, man.
Give a fuck me none of uno. You big C come suck over and teach. Yeah, big seed come suck up my blood clot rotten teeth, girl. I that me want to no come do. Come suck up my famous rotten teeth when me having on my blood clot head.
Alright, so my people, me they are consumed, so me can't chat too much. See, wanna tell me what you think in the comment section. See it here, and I done big C. How we Annie call her? Big seed as in SEED or big C as in the letter C? Wanna hear what she call her? Tell me in the comment section, my people.
Did want you. If Jaden did blood clot want you, why you done run down Jaden and out at Jabba's club and enka like a dog?
Yeah, it is right.
If Jaden didn't want you, drunk crow. Good. If Jaden didn't want you, why did I have to run down Jaden and the other Jabba's club and enka like a blood clot dog? Eh?
And she look for me, but me no want her.
Club, you don't have no eyelash. You're stressed out.
Me no want no what
you
left.
Look beat out. Stress I kill you. And the boss did a dress up good. And him and Mika party the whole night. When him and Mika boo left and go fuck, they left you down at the club. Big C, where you sleep that night, the drunk girl? Big C, when you down at the club, tell the people them say Jaden take Mika boo and go back up at the house where we there.
Yeah.
When him and Mika boo go fuck. What you did there? You did left down at the blood clot club, John Crow. So what you blood clot you talk about?
I shall look for me, never want her, because I don't want to what left. So Mrs. Shall look for me, feel like she should get somebody else.
Man and think of vacation. She did take Fabi man and think of blood clot vacation. You understand what I say? She take Fabi man and think here. Yeah. So all of the good treatment that what she said Fabi didn't get. This blood clot thinking girl. This friend blood clot take her. What she love take her friend man. She didn't think of the same thing. The man didn't come treat her. Move your blood clot. The man fuck you out. If he fuck out Mika boy, fuck you out too. Dirty blood clot drunk girl. Look at so good blood clot girl. You think me afraid of you? I can't never want in your argument. What the blood clot you call me name for? So because you and Jaden no work out, you want come cuss me. What you diss me for? Me not in a look a bumbo clot mix up. At least Jaden no take a blood clot and walk out. It's a mile how long for go down a sentence.
But this morning, you pick up here, you say she good and alright. But me know say she go come off for family. Because from here she start this me first. And me here she start to some things.
Eldino.
No.
How long it take for reach on a St. Elizabeth?
How long it take for reach on her?
Yes, how long it take for reach on a St.
Me not think it take no long time. It not take no long.
So you gotta tell me, say, Big C no come from where? From Kingston, go down a St. Elizabeth for blood clot, Jaden Kaki.
You know for that?
You know blood clot for that?
She pass all my yard, because she did father me. So just imagine, more than 2 hours.
From Kingston, go down a St. Elizabeth for Jaden Kaki, and your Jaden never did look for you, dirty girl.
Jaden never come sleep over too. No, she see room and she see everything and everything nice, so she think she's space to the fear. But she don't know, so she get left long time.
Well, I come style my blood clot picnic. Go suck your mother thinking bumbo clot girl. How you feel like? Thinking big pussy blood clot, Big C, go suck your mother. You take your friend man, and the man still don't want your drunk rough. You see how long you need to free out for the blood clot man, dog shit girl. Thinking dirty girl. And why you not gonna get for buy no more week for catch up on your blood clot head? Eh?
She not know about herself.
Mika want no blood clot week for look pretty. Mika be beautiful no blood clot naturally. Go suck your mother a million times big blood clot. See?
No more comment.
You know what your name?
Look on yourself. No more comment.
Hey girl, Big C, remember you know, and you did out at Jabba's club at Encover Kaki, you know. Hey girl, the man left you. And you come down the ush part where they uncover the blood clot man. Meanwhile, we there in a VIP. You there down there in the comment section and look up and we. Remember me tell you, we went the club over and Mika Boo and Jaden left go up at the house go blood clot lock up and sleep dog shit girl. So why you never talk something about that long bumbo clot time? Why you never did have nothing to say?
Why she drink up a dirty rum? And there, why you want to see her face? See her? Why everybody? She not nothing for do and nothing for say. We just do the active.
Security.
We did the active for life and I do it thing. Jaden did enjoy for himself.
Security.
And we did the dance and do it thing. See she here?
Security blood clot, Big C. Security blood
No,
clot, Big C. You come to security work, dirty thinking,
just
blood clot.
talk. Yeah, man.
Security work, you come down, they come do, you come watch cock, and the cock no want you. Move your blood clot and go. What goes around comes around. You think you could have take Fabi, man, and get through with it, don't? You think you could have take Fabi blood clot, man? Spain town,
that's what you want, though. Oh, no, follow me up. Oh, you don't just follow me up.
Blood clot out of order.
Yes,
he
she planning, man.
Spain town mattrash. And that him say about you. Say, Mika Boo a 7 cray, you a Spain town blood clot mattrash. Dirty thinking, girl, you left your yard and come a club and watch man. Tell the blood clot crowd about that. Tell the people them which part you sleep when Jaden go on before the morning with Mika blood clot boo. Eh? Tell the blood clot crowd that.
No,
you dog did not play 2 or 1. Go suck your mother. Now the man left you one blood clot Bex. I bet you bet because the man make up in blood clot mind. Just thinking blood clot girl. How we are talk about? But the people them know so we see you in a blood clot. Yeah. Your eye them swell up. No your eyelash. You look mash up and stress out. You run back a blood clot Jaden and Jaden never see you. Move your blood clot and go big girl. Who you? Yeah, come go like your blood clot. No matter if you're there 1,000 blood clot foreign, you can't this my blood clot data. You hear me? I tell you, so good blood clot, girl. Spain town mattrash. Spain town mattrash. No matter how blood clot them say you're there foreign. You're no better than my blood clot fitness so good. So good dirty blood clot, girl. Because you couldn't even suck the hood make the man stay. You couldn't even suck the dick make the blood clot boy stay. Go suck your mother. Why you can't blood clot though? You put what? Turn up and put on blood clot wig. Hey, the week them delay upon your blood clot. Move your blood clot. You take your friend man and think you're not gonna get through dirty girl. Who you? You're going like you're cute.
You think all is fine.
Big C, you're cute. Your blood clot cute. The week them cute upon your head more than you. The blood clot week them cute upon your blood clot head more than your girl. You're tough. You look like a blood clot chansey. How are you, mama? Big C people have a look for your good. Girl, you're tough, no blood clot. Me don't know Jaden there with you. You could have passed your blood clot chansey, girl. You can't chat to blood clot Mika Boo dirty girl. Mika Boo did out a cover and cover blood clot man when you want blood clot you. Eh? Mika Boo did out a club. Mika Boo did in at the club with the man. You out to do a anchor for the man. Mika Boo did in at the club with the man. You did out to do a anchor for the man.
Mika look like she knows that she did a win already. So she not have to club herself. She just enjoy herself.
Mika Boo don't have a blood clot a up herself because big bitch. The reason why Big C begs. Big C thinks that the whole we now go jump on it with her and tune up with her and cuss Jaden. When we are cuss Jaden, we cuss Jaden for our own blood clot time and we don't need blood clot.
Yeah, and that's you want.
We not join up with blood clot, you can't cuss no Jaden. We cuss Jaden for our own timing. You get me? Say did I look at blood clot back at him? Bitch. No, we not blood clot back you. But they did not take for the blood clot, man. Eh?
Follow me, guys.
Blood clot and
no more text. No more text. Follow me, no more text.
Yes, we got basic school together. Me and you got primary. Eh? We
follow me.
You think that you back up blood clot dancer? I feel away because we not jump on your blood clot. You not take the man. Mika Boo did not take the blood clot, man. Jaden did not play the boat at Uno. Move your blood clot and go and go on like your blood clot special, dirty girl. There's nothing special about you. You're tough.
Some people know that Annie and Big C are cuss. It lead me to wonder the reason behind her releasing the information where she and the Lion Man pillow talk about Mika say she smell. Why? Where she get from it? Because at the end of the day, she and the man left, Mika and the man left. But want to tell me if you think say she want to bring down the Lion Man more and mash up the relationship between Annie them and the Lion Man, because the only person that got hurt by this are Annie and her daughter. You see me I say, and them and the Lion Man did already go at it when it comes to certain things. So tell me in the comment section what you think we are watch some more.
You're taking blood clot, sister. You want taking much no blood clot. You could have passed any blood clot chance, girl. Who you?
The man did that. The man did that worse. Cause man box her down.
Oi, what do you miss it? Well, I know. What do you miss it? The girl down at the club and the girl
Box
have
her
eyelash. Mama tough, no blood clot. Me not lie to you. Hey, you see, when you see her down at the club and she not have on her eyelash, you always a
Me never know she never know she so big C. Me think.
Yeah.
Me think Big C they go and cute little girl, but when me see Big C, me ask you where Big C there.
Oh,
when it's somebody reach side away and put one table over the corner, me I say, oh, she. But you go like, you know, and you nobody like.
Like a gym, she come. The girl come in at the club like in a one city. You know, when you come at gym, you go exercise. And some mama come at the club in a gym and I hide out and watch your body. Watch her, no?
Follow me, guys. You know, follow me up.
Turn in that club.
Me, you know.
Every second she run, go back a smarty. Watch she run, go back a smarty tall. Watch her, no? Mama, in that club and watch your body to blood clot.
Watch your Friday.
Watch cock. Security watch cock, Big Seed. Big C, security watch cock. Are you me I talk to? Yeah. When you go on like say, look here. When you go on like say, Jaden, where call is all that can't talk to my daughter? Yes, Jaden in there with blood clot. Me can come out of the bag now. If you don't want to see me set them up, yes sir, blood clot. No. Me not have a blood clot problem. If two of them didn't have blood clot there. And you know about it long blood clot time because you get burned up underneath your ass. That you didn't blood clot get. You didn't get it left, right, and blood clot center. The man didn't play the boat uno. And that me a blood clot tell you. So the man come jump up now with blood clot information because Jaden no want you. Tell the people
follow me. No ramp with me now, guys. No ramp with me.
Tell the people them why you jump out now. You remember the people them know say the reason why you jump out now and because Jaden blood clot refuse you. Many people know the reason why you jump out now because you hold it. And when you get the big old box down. And when him box down your blood clot, you hold it Big C. So you hold it now, you figure say the man no want you. You realize it. You wake up. And you come down start for everybody blood clot name. Eh? Mama, we now go back you. Go suck your mama. Go suck out your big thinking blood clot mama. Name out every part of your blood clot mama Big C.
Back up Charlotte, man. Back up Charlotte. Let me tell you if I really say Charlotte back up. And we there running a back her too, you know. Not until she start disrespect with.
You know what they look at
glad me that this are first. But glad me realize and start.
They look at cockroach, they look at Spain-town matches. They look at Spain-town matches because they might go call Mika 7th grade. Spain-town matches. You know see the man this about town. You know see about town the man this.
And the man still there, and the man still show up him face to Mika. The man still there. I have Mika in I'm circle see me. I just she feel hurt because man now look on her again.
Eh?
She works.
Matchash. Where they go? Where the thing say? You run go 2 nights straight the man come out of the club and watch him man. The girl come in and one look blood clot gym clothes, one pink gym suit. The girl come in at the club and I watch the man blood clot dick down a Jabba's club. You see me? The girl look mash up like a dog, guys. Me not telling no lie. Girl never when me buck up blood clot Big C, me never know see a she. I hear them look swell no blood clot. Jaden the panic go and wine out the girl, them and wine the girl is Jaden left and go up on the stage, go wine with me Kabu.
Yeah. So that makes you vex. So me tell her for morning and is say when she really see what go on. She come to see what go on, you know. Her feelings are bad her, you know. So she say I want make Jaden come a Black River so every minute. No man. Say when she come, you know what she and you can see she not happy here.
Thinking girl, me know say you never like me. Thinking girl,
she
look at pussy girl. Look at girl, we can't even suck cock good. Cause if you could have sucked the cock good, you'd have keep the blood clot man. Thinking blood clot big pussy mildew girl. You couldn't even keep the blood clot man.
Yeah man, big Riverside wall shit man. Be in a real life. What you mean? She bright.
I she did that diss me. God right, no, me didn't want pussy, but she did that diss me, bro.
Yeah. After me and she this morning, so she come disrespect me. She bright. I follow it up because she disrespect me. She bright.
Bro, be a this girl like this, me man. She deserve to get this. I'm not lie to you, man.
I have a friend for this, but it don't work out. I plan no work out.
When they plan live at this, so be wicked this way. I mean, ain't this circle. Me I deal with the thing cool. Me need to say 1 and 2 things cool, man. Me not lie to you. I love you, bro, but I shoot, man. The girl if you go.
But when I time, it's because you tell me, I say, style up back Jaden is like for your name I get mentioned and we are talk about her say in a good way. So we never expect she to come but look like she planned but it never work out.
Bro, you girl sit down with Tiki and all of them are these people wicked. You understand me? I said the girl will go suck your mother. And that me I tell you.
Hey people, you know you never see smoke without fire yet. All them itch up here with the lion man did that itch up around the family. And me kind did around the family for. You see me I say? And people we know a long time, you know, me did have a feeling long time say boy something go on between them, you know. But me don't know how come out and really say nothing like that. You see me? Cause
plenty blood clot time I move from here so. I want to hear when you the man did good. You the man did good. When you the man did good, you come with a bag of blood clotting. Move from your sangwe. That me I tell you.
Tiki the body boy will leak like ice truck.
I see him thinking me a talk about my one tough no blood clot. No matter how much blood clot medication he taking, he can't get soft. He tough your fuck.
A body boy man, he might leak up your whole affair right now. Yeah man.
No, a man bumbo clot mouth skin up like when goat a shit.
real body boy. Me say if ever come over me play this
wig off her head. The next when the man backs down, Tiki back way and the wig fly after blood.
You know no fucking sense. Me for night time me have to say it's a God bill one puppet for bring come around here. Come get trouble.
I feel him Tiki will get down to Mexico. He get stuck down to Mexico and ball out blood. That when he go jump the bar.
Cry me say boy, me don't know you know but me feel like say yo. Me somebody will run a system of a place to put them by themselves in a one local community gated place and lock up all of them over there. Trust me man. Hey. In a real life. All one of them all of them go lock them up. Destiny every one of them. Carry them go lock them up in a one gated community with a tall wall. One tall wall like up at Jericho. Yeah, one tall wall.
Ting, but me tell you something. Me not go make blood clot big seed or big seed cause it's a big seed. She have a, you know say a big seed she name. She no name no big seed.
Right now she fi change her name to Big A.
Big seed. Tap your blood clot nice over there. Big seed. That girl have a big blood clot seed. Big seed upon blood clot life come this me. All of them feel like they can't come this me blood clot name you. Ting I know say me want cause I get stuck her mother. That me say. A girl they watch cocky too hard. And that me I tell you.
First, that girl don't like you, Annie, so. And she have some bad man ways about her. Just to ask about that girl there, cause me and I know nothing. Oh, alright, so. Oh, so you make a booty feel like say Ashia. You're not done. Come move on to the next. You're not done, Jabba. Yeah. Move on to the next. Alright, really? Make sure. When day she take 100K from me. Rascal, really? Come girl. One more.
Me no more.
Want to the vice note?
Me no do mix up. The vice note them.
Listen, so when I get tall, you have to when them haul, you have to defend yourself, you know. Yo, me not train you well.
But Jabbas, I don't mean one.
You sit down and boy your ball like that some biggie that boy your ball.
Yeah, that me I tell her. Dry your tears.
Like some big fool. See me, ugly.
Jabbas, leave me alone. You say me rated, just leave me alone.
Please, leave me alone. No, but I tell him tough enough for you. We see you tough enough now.
I want to you. I make sure internet good when you come here.
And him a chat it too, Uno. I told him in my chat. I play both, Uno. He's a womanizer. And it's just the truth.
It's him, Annie. This up in blood clot. Dirty batty man.
You understand me? He's a big fucking womanizer. But you see, thing is this job, I'm always step out and this Jaden. For she stand up job and say herself. I want to make a boat do it because you're in the situation. You understand? Just as our big C have evidence, you have evidence same way because I play the game with the boat, Uno.
Yo, bro, I think so. The man is really.
You didn't think so, huh?
I didn't think him and the girl left because I tell me say him and the girl left.
So all the while you see him down at the party and Big C in at the party, you didn't really think so him and one woman left to she.
No, you see first time I never come to a party with you and Chanel and Titi. My ear said Big C did the down there. So I said well Big C I do down there.
Oi, you see the night when the party did hot, I think your first party.
The battery are dead,
And next when we come at the next party, Big C still did so me know say them dead so. Right there so me know say them dead.
Yeah, because Big C did the party without look here. Me tell you say me couldn't even recognize her without her lash and everything. She did in one pink suit, girl. Then the time you did up there, so wine up and Jaden and go on with herself up there. Big C down in the party did they look on everything, me kaboo. Girl, me want you talk. Me not like her when me ready for talk. Me say TikTok I got tear blood clot down. Cause I pretend like so you and him no day, you and him did there. Yeah, him call your phone, he watch him, no want you have no man. You see me? He might tell you the type of clothes them would like you for put on and them something. Him tell us don't play a game with enough man for social media. And them there's something for making people them know. You understand me, Jaden? You want to go pussy in the youth. And that me I tell you, you know. You see what goes around, I go come back right back around for your blood clot. You play your game and they go jump right in your blood clot head. You didn't use the two woman them. I didn't play a game with the both of them. Watch out. Three way. Make a boo send out the rest of message.
Three woman.
Send out the rest of message. Three way. Three of them. Oh. Here's a look of blood clot womanizer. That may I tell you. See when people talk about me set him up Jabbas. With me Kabu, Jabbas can kill me and so me never know say two of them there.
Me know I be in the back of the go take man.
Yeah, because she go Kingston, me never did know say man Jaden are there. Even when I asked her, she said to me, say no. I me say make sure because I'm a friendship. I mean, I want my friendship.
One time, me ask him one time. And he tell him, me ask him, say Mika, tell me truth as a big brother. You like him for true? Or nothing, not the day. And she said, yes, me like him for true. And I say, careful. That's how I say.
All right. Come and ask her the same question. I say, you and him there for real? And she said, Mommy, yeah, but me and Jaden no like. And she said, Jaden no like when people in our business.
Tiki, me not add you, Tiki, because you this Annie them. And me not add you. Because you this Annie. And you know, come over here about this thing again.
Tiki.
Me say, if Tiki come over here, some, me say, well, I have some blaze up. I swear to you.
No, me not add him. No problem. Me not add him. Because nobody not diss him right now. Me not add him. So. Tiki, one next day.
Mikaboo, you have more voice, you have more message?
Yeah, you have to come with them.
Hey, a long time me know say Mika love the lion man till she fall for the first time she get introduced to him. Some question when me hear him ask her and how she answer him. Me say this a girl are ready for dash her crutches pan the youth, you know. And you know say she a go get hurt. You see me I say, I don't know if me say it in another the video there, but I think me say it in, I think me tell you say, yo, that girl I love her. Me did tell you say him I go hurt her. That me did tell you. Me tell you say, yo, she love him and him I go hurt her. And so said, so done. Me just know because him not ready for no one woman yet. Right now him a bad. You see me I say the lion man a bad right now. Because all different type of woman that show themselves at him. And him a go take it. You see me? Him a go take it. So boy, I just say go you have to pass through a phase in a life, you know. Same like the man them, the woman them, you know what I mean? Just generally we have to pass through phases in our life. You see me? And Mika, she just go through a stage right now as a, you know what I mean, a female and Ray. So I hope she learn from this a mistake, yeah. See, I know every man where you see, although me don't feel that she's like that. She just like this a man, yeah. You know what I mean? But you have to know who you love too much. You see me? You can't really, you know what I mean, just have somebody where you love that much and like you would do anything for that man. You see me? I say, and the relationship, it wasn't even a relationship, it was just a little fling. And she not feeling so much till she about support them did they feel one 2 months or so. Or more. People make me know what they think. We watch some more.
Blanco, see
this darling, plug it in my computer.
What you can send me request? Take it full. And this handicap blood clot Batman. Hey, you feel me? People like, oh Jesus Christ, handicap Batman. At least it can be a sensible Batman, you know. Drunk come over and send me request, man. Move from here, so. You come like some blood clot dog, all you run the dog to blood clot and lick him down with big stone and still come back.
Mika. Oh, say now you blood clot hear me? You never hear me? No, me I say if you never hear me a while ago.
Yeah.
So you can never answer me. You know, say you kind of resemble big C, you know, like how you told the complexion I get dark.
Yeah, and I doctor me looking at the phone. Show which number you brighty.
Look here. Me don't know. Me say no sir.
No.
But listen, man, son of a joke aside still.
We are the mere traffic. Alright, we are jobbers. Mere traffic. Your job some picture also. You know, say what this is that me do. Yeah, where you are.
Yeah, man.
What you angle your crime? That one wants to fry your Mika boom. Don't make no boy use you. Deal with your crime. Just as how him come and him chat you with Big C, show it up so the boy a chat Big C with your same way. He's a fucking womanizer, bro. Me tell you something, I never did not expect this from you. Me not lie to you.
Little down for you, man.
For real, big time. Big time.
Shame on you, bro, man.
You know what we do? We for add him right yourself. Right yourself for add him. Add him. Make him come up. Make a boom. Make Jabbas add him. He will come from a Jabbas add him. Make him come right yourself.
Hold on there. I need to add me a while ago. Let me see if I find him. Oh, what screenshot there? What your screenshot before picking?
I didn't message him. Now try to eardrop them.
So what problem you have? You want to read for the money? What problem in the city?
Yo, Jabbas, you want to look a pussy when you're ready. You see what the only one of them come for you, and me blood clot they are fighting you, Mr.
Me not cuss you.
And your blood clot they right that's what allow the thinking girl them. They ugly fucker, they ugly black, ugly thinking junker when it is fight. They ugly thinking germs box, yeah. They fighting out a backling mud, and your blood clot dirty left than Mika, them a raggy 12 cause when Mika show Mika not show we think a blood clot.
Me not arguing no batty boy. Me not gonna argue with no man. They never win a day, and I lie me I tell look they. Read the message them. Who can read? Ask somebody else read for no. Me don't show. What Jabbas?
Jabbas soon come and go and Jabbas soon come. Jabbas soon cut off. I can't make things I do. I block your blood clots. Make I block you. I tell some of the pan bag of chatting today, you know. I think you alone come, bother me. You understand?
No, nobody.
But me and you did know say you and Jaden depend from the. I'm tell you when me know. Remember say you never did want to tell me nothing about a relationship, you know. You say you want to keep a relationship private, right? But me as a mother, me observe and me know say you and Jaden did inner things. So me say two are now move. Me know say you and Jaden inner things. You understand me?
Remember this date, you know, this date I show when I screenshot them, you know. That's when their birthday, you know.
Girl, you can't blood clot after me and them set up. She there, she can't talk. You see them set up blood clot Jaden and Mika boo. Me not have set up blood clot Jaden and Mika boo. It two of them are big blood clot people. And she there with Jaden after a blood clot own. If you don't want to continue say that, you can't say you don't want blood clot say. Me give a fuck for none of uno. Me give a fuck for none of uno. Me can't force blood clot Jaden and Mika boo for the blood clot Jaden.
Jaden there. She she don't know nothing about it when me and Jaden.
Yeah, sorry about that. Me just have to tell him say don't cuss no when time me there.
Jabba shouldn't add the ugly.
Jabba say no, say me honestly, you shouldn't add blood clot. Tiki run me down from morning. But come like when blood clot fly a fall a body, I saw blood clot Tiki run me down.
Listen, he not get I don't know I talk no, can me tell him say he can't listen when me there. My wait until me there, cause once me there, me not go allow it. And that me I tell him, ask the people, me say once me there, don't do it. If me not there, I'm not busy with it, I'm not so one, but once me there, not do it, I'm go defend. No.
Make him go on, man. Yeah. So how do you say, mama? Yeah.
So me you are going to Mika. Come back say I judge there, no.
So now they must say, my life me tell me and Jaden never.
Me know you're Jaden there, and the night after my party, no junk, no grind. Then I take no see.
This is when I'm
moving. No feel like me. And if you don't remember what I tell you, nothing, come here and eat that. Send location.
For sure, you. I see them asking for advice. But if you do me here, something asking for advice, and he might text me and tell me say that. So for sure, people say me not tell a lie, brother.
Listen to me over in my chat. Don't leave her alone.
Go sell your mama, man. Go sell your mama. Go back.
This them, and you must afraid of blood clot them.
Yeah, man. Go sell your mama, man. I'm not afraid of the blood clot. Go back. Go sell your big thinking, mama.
Yeah, this them. I come for.
And you can sell blood clots. Somebody for $500 drunk. You know what is $500? No found to blood clot. You don't see one lion. You don't think $1 million blood clot dollar. Go suck your mother, man. You feel like some opinion have a mind of her own? Eh? What you say?
Jaden there. Now you hear me? Time when me and Jaden talk, you don't know nothing about it. You not even know what me and Jaden talk.
Yeah.
How you reach over here?
So when people talk about say, are you set me up, you never set me up with Jaden.
No, I ain't going with them.
Before, then follow me. I'm from that, he take a step to me give him my number, and that's how it start.
Because even when she did there at Kingston, me never know nothing about she going to Kingston. When she tell me, I think it was a prank. You understand me? So the end of the blood clot, they have big old thinking people at top, but me sell me penny for $500. $500 blood clot, you waste some money?
But only see people in here, honey. I know for them girls over there.
Hey, my people, all Annie Depan, you know, she never know say the lion man was like that and ray and blah. Me sure say Annie watch the internet and him know some of the things them this youth a pull off. So I gotta tell you say you never know say incapable of doing what he did. Come on, man, we have to wise up more while. You see me I say, and me tell you something, because a lot of people have said this and them have said that we as human beings were sent to this earth to be used. So me don't want to now say yo the lion man use Annie or whatever. Both of them get something out of this thing here, because Annie is the hottest she ever been on TikTok. She is the hottest. She and her family them. You see me? But there's a price to pay some of the time for certain things, and I just saw it go. Make me know what I think of the same topic me did I tell you about I think last night, you know. So yo, there's a price to be paid, you know what I mean? But you have to know what you do when you do. Because what some more?
Yeah, they no word nothing.
All of this are you for blame, Jaden. Me not lie to you.
But Jaden,
all of blood clot, this are you for blame. Because when people rate you and blood clot trust you, it's like you is a man like this, you just come like you're all for your blood clot self at the end of the day. You understand me? No matter what person.
And you see don't last not even 6 months? Well, you use that as an example. You use that as an example, and the next thing me want to know to pay attention to. You remember when Fabi come out the other day and Fabi tell you say, I true no know the boy, the other boy, the wicked, whatever, and she attack her mind, but she don't really want to go. It come like she's not the type of person who want to bring down a person. If she do it in a joke, she will do it. But like her real life, she don't want to get in it. And look on her face expression when she attack. If it had a little girl them now pay attention to her when she attack, they must have wonder say, oh, she run from wig every week. Oh, she run something there what she no like. Something there what she no want. Something there what no entice her. A man cannot give a whirl, but yet still you're uncomfortable because of disrespect. Sometimes a man give a whirl and him not pay you no mind. You can't talk to him. You can't ask him where I go, where I come from. But you get everything and people go to see you and say, true, then see you dress up and you're nice and say, all is well. No. Who feels it knows it. Them use the word say, him is a manipulator. Well, as we say, who feels it knows it. All of them say the same thing. We see it for ourselves on the internet and we say that for real. But the thing is that him not ready for settle yet. So the next person we are going to go and get the same treatment. And the next person I go and get the same treatment. And the next one I go get the same treatment. And the thing we want to understand. You see how young him be? Him at 20 little bit. And every woman when they with him lick them. So him is a beater. So una have to tell on yourself say him a go beat out on your ass. That is not a good thing for such a young little boy if you start beat man already. But as me say, a them come say it. A the woman them say Ashley first come say him beat her. Then the next one say him beat her. You see fear, you see alright. Enough I wanna ask woman, me so now something to the girl. I beat the girl. And one thing me hate we don't know, uno no give people chance to tell them story. Uno go on like a uno a live the people them life. Uno go on like a uno a feel the people them pain. A so uno stay. Uno have a dirty blood clot habit. Uno have a dirty habit. A so uno stay. Uno need to cut out that habit there. Uno fi allow people to express themselves and then uno get in an argument and criticize. Nobody no run from good. Mother of King Wagwan, nobody no run from good. Especially young girl we like go up on the road, dress up, look nice and talk to somebody where we do all of that for them. Come on. You know always me pass one live and me hear somebody say nothing what she say no make sense. Everything what she say make sense. I saw you stay up on the internet. Anytime you like somebody then can't rank for you. And that's our biggest problem you have. That our number one. Yesterday I sit down and I say the same thing. I say World Dog are my number one on TikTok. And when World Dog rang, me beat World Dog. And him are my number one on TikTok. Nobody is my number one like him as a man creator. Him are my number one as a man creator. And when he go on with him fuckery, me beat him. When he cuss Batman Raja, me beat him. When he cuss Arthur, me beat him. You understand? I think I done 2 times that me beat him. And he come cuss me back and me and him front up back again. But him are my number one. But you know if you tell people the truth when you don't see them wrong, you know if you tell them the truth. And the girl, me not take up for her because she's a woman, you know. Me a take up for her because all of them have the same similarity. Him ask a question. Him say, if me box you, why you come back? 3/4 Jamaican woman, them man lick them and them no left, them no go nowhere. So a fool in the shit talk. That is a foolish question you ask. And me da want to see back that video there, to see the people them will comment on that where them that say, to see oh someone uno fucking hypocritical and uno full of shit. Because when a man licking woman for the first time, the woman I say him nah go do it again. Me I go give you a chance, you know, and wait for see if you go do it again. Sometimes a man give you one box and he never even put back in hand pan you again. Never ever ever. Me talk to man for 15 years and I
Alright, people, as we dance, nobody don't run away from good. So why forbid them would want to take on themselves? You see what I say? And Mika the only one where you would say, wow, go back in a relationship. And me would even say Mika alone still. Big C, she would go back in a relationship with the dog. But it look like say dog have some look how mess up ways. You see when they come to the woman them. You understand what I say? So, upon a level, let me know what you think, my people. I watch some more.
Box me in my face. One day, and not in 15, we got about 17, 18. One box never box me in my face. Never ever put in hand on me again. Cause me more too rank. So, I don't like say, yeah, look, say, yes, him a go do it again, and him a go do it again, and him a go do it again. So when you ask the question, say, you say me box you, so why you come back? Come on. When somebody fall in love with somebody, one confrontation no make them just walk. I know say work. I know say work. And if you look on him face expression, everything where the girl say hit him hard. All him color blood clot change. In a real life. Go look back on the video them when the girl just start talk, all him color change. Thank you, and all him color change. You look on people face expression when them argue and know who a win and who a lose. Him can't stand him heal. Because guess what? She are the one where no matter how them dig her, you don't notice that no matter how them dig her on the internet, she just kiss her teeth or she not pay you no mind, no matter where them dig her and say, when them a dig her and I tell her about even when she just start come out on the internet, she and the man people a tell her in the comment about Fabi. You don't notice that she just ignore. She that type of person there. But as me say, ladies, anytime you go there with Jaden, just tell on yourself, say, you give him 2 fuck, get what you get, and move on. Because him is young and him do not ready for settle down yet. Because him come tell you, say, this girl have everything when him did ask her, and everything when him want. But yet still. But here again now, let me say something to you again now. Because what due to Caesar, we have to give to Caesar, you know. You see, when she got behind him back and take out the 100,000 off him card, she wrong. You can't go behind a person back and go use them card and take money off of them card. You're wrong there, so. You understand? You're wrong there, so. Because him never know about it. So that's so you're wrong. But the thing what me not understand with these people nowadays, as me say, everything have to come on the internet. No matter how you and a person did nice last week and the week before and the week before, as a little thing go on, the whole public have to know about it. The whole John public have to know about it. The whole John public have to know about it.
But you think our man, you know.
Of course, with big, me I tell you something, turn up out the door the whole fucking time. The whole time she was there with one big chopstick something over her head. And no woman come in and get a drink. She out the door watch a blood clot, man. It's a cocky watchdog. Cocky satellite. When blood clot Jaden play club, Jaden left with Mika boo and she get left down at the blood clot club. Guys, me no want nobody Me no want nobody say nothing at all to me because you see how me see it. All of them feel like say the whole of them can just come and turn down on me and my family. Every step them take, left and right and center. You see all of them are come towards my family. At the end of the day, who and her in an argument? Why she continue to come after me? Right? I'm not the person who left her. She take a man just when I want her. The man was playing a game. The man didn't play the game with she and me, Kabu. So why she turn on everything on me and I argue with me and I make video for me now? Because the girl well wanted in an argument with me. Long blood clot time. Long blood clot time. This bumper clot big old girl want in an argument with me. But I'm in a blood clot back down. Me take on the whole blood clot media if me have to. Yeah, me tell you, I'm not afraid of no blood clot body. I want you. Eh? Me take on every woman blood clot body pan this. What Jaden suck out your throat back and left your dirty girl? Jaden fuck out your blood clot throat back because your pussy no good and left you. Go suck your mother. Waste blood clot condom girl. Eh? You want come take a set on the blood clot and family. You can't cost me all your blood clot want. Me now go blood clot side with you. Alright, they start blood clot there. Yeah. Crazy no blood clot. Look on you too. Maybe what go on?
Damn, mother. How are you?
Now big old blood clot, big see come in an argument with me because Jaden left her. That you feel like someone if you come take up for her, she want people choose sides.
No, but you can't choose that, Annie. You can't choose the people. Oh, you got that.
Right now, here one. She not cause Jayden right now, you know. And me, mama make video for back of video, you know, like me didn't fuck her. And me, mama turn pan. Me not understand. No, Jayden, she supposed to dig up and cuss.
She there alive now, yeah?
I don't give a fuck if she want the live or she want blood clot come up. I don't give a fuck. They don't suck out Jaden body already. Jaden don't shit in her mouth. Jaden don't shit up in her blood clot mouth. Shit mouth blood clot girl. Are you me a blood clot chat? Yeah. When Fabi move with the makeup brush, you set your mouth did and catch if you catch drunk crow. Who you?
Right. Our mother fear upset me could have asked as a mother. Our mother fear base up. Jesus please, somebody can't really ask her. A mother can't. A woman who have how much picnic can really come ask her. Oh my goodness. I say me a woman I'm ashamed like a dog. But can't believe this. Me could have never.
Oh, she act. Oh, she act.
Yeah. You see it? Oh.
Alright, my people, so I want to tell me what you think in the comment section about everything what go on. At the end of the day, Annie have to defend her youth them and defend herself. You see me I say? And as I said earlier on in the video, people, this girl, yeah, what the reason for she come out and release them something, that means she have a ulterior motive. Seeing it look like see the man she want to come back to her or whatever. But let me know what you think in the comment section. And anybody will deal with this youth here, that are the lion man and him shame them or anything, them supposed to take what them get because them know what type of person them are deal with before them deal with him. So if you don't want to get shame or disrespect, you find the next, you know what I mean? No, you know if he in him. You see me enough to give him the time of day. But let me know one thing. At the end of the day, as I said before, and you have to defend our family and ourselves. Big one thing.
Mother fear upset me could have asked as a mother. Our mother fear base up. Jesus please, somebody can't really ask her. A mother can't. A woman who have how much picnic can really come ask her. Oh my goodness. I say me a woman I'm ashamed like a dog. But can't believe this. Me could have never.
Oh, she act. Oh, she act.
Yeah. You see it?
Oh, she act.
Anna, one piece of ball in Anna ball over man. When they look TikTok police say and the pussy stink and the mouth stink and he suck him cocky. And if me a suck cocky, me could have never come make my pit them know say me a suck cocky. So you tell me say you really hear on them something you feel comfortable as a big son. Jagger,
But lady suppose a lie, Mattel. Lady, stop talk. I'll leave the man alone.
But how are you putting all of this on the one? How are you putting all of this on the one man? He can't tell his mother what to do.
Me a Jagger reason.
You're not reasoning with him. You're telling him what to do.
That's reason, me don't know.
I'm a reason. Yeah, me a Jagger talk.
Me not rate their reason that still. Come down.
That's no reason, yo.
Fuck Korea chat.
I don't know how she expect you to go tell your mother what to do from what not to do when she's your mother.
What me look like to
He's a child. His mother. He can't go to his mother, go tell his mother what to do. He can encourage his mother, but he can't tell his mother what to do.
And you must think, so me not talk to her. You hear me run back her, I'll take her phone to come off her live and them thing there. What no want me if you do? What me look like?
You know, just stress out the man. Jagger later, yeah, man, and keep the faith.
Alright, Jaden.
But Dragga, to answer your question, you're
me not wrong, and if you answer Big C, none tall, bro.
But she can't just answer Big C and don't answer Jaden. How come she's not addressing Jaden? That's what people want to know.
The girl forgot to take out in fucking stress pan. What the fucking reach over here, so? But
Jaden's been talking about your family too. Under quiet. Jaden's been talking about you guys under quiet and under style.
Yes, and them fi have sense. Them fi have fucking sense, bro. All of them. Them fi have sense. I've been a tell them. Me no run, boy, run.
So does your sister still communicate with Jaden?
Me don't know, me not care. Me don't know, me not care. Me tired of talk. Me I can show you text them by WhatsApp. Me tired of talk. When we go stress over my two pitney them. Me go stress over. Can't stress over them.
Anna, one piece of ball in Anna ball over man. When they look TikTok police say and the pussy stink and the mouth stink and the sucking cocky. If me a suck cocky, me coulda never come make my pit them know say me a suck cocky. So you tell me say you really hear on them something you feel comfortable as a big son. Jagger,
but lady suppose a lie, Mattel. Lady, stop talk. I'll leave the man alone.
But how are you putting all of this on the one? How you putting all of this on the one man? He can't tell his mother what to do.
Me a Jagger reason.
You're not reasoning with him. You're telling him what to do.
That's reason me don't know.
I'm a Jagger. Yeah, me a Jagger talk.
Me not rate their reason that still. Come down.
That's no reason, yo.
Fuck Korea chat.
I don't know how she expect you to go tell your mother what to do from what not to do when she's your mother.
What me look like to her?
He's a child. His mother. He can't go to his mother, go tell his mother what to do. He can encourage his mother, but he can't tell his mother what to do.
And you must think, so me not talk to her. You hear me run back her, I'll take her phone to come off her live and them thing there. What no want me if you do? What me look like?
You know, just stress out the man. Jagger later, yeah, man, and keep the faith.
Jaden, and that woman if knows a man wickeder than we. Jaden will never take it out time except Fabi never choose him. And that one of you know. So see sometime when things happen down the line and you go back to part one, if you don't go back to part one, you will never understand the end game. Jaden, as an insecure little boy, when I know nothing about woman love or mother love, and I only stranger love him, Jaden is particular with how people treat him. And this is what I don't see in Jaden. Jaden is particular, so no matter what Fabi did down the line to show love to Jaden, that first instinct of her not wanting him now got ever left him brain. But Jaden saw that J-Fab look great on the internet. J-Fab make Fabi and Jaden make money. And I'm not going to lie, they had good moments in between because the two of them they start grow up on them one another. But Jaden I go quick after this Fabi because I remember say Fabi never want him. And that one now remember, bro. Jaden I go always quick after this Fabi because I remember say Fabi never want him. Fuck, every time you say the one I remember even more. So even when Fabi start liking Jaden, start being real to Jaden, start wanting Jaden, it is always going to be in the back of Jaden's head that if Dona did want Fabi, him uno abar, but Jaden started off as a game where him catch feelings and she catch more feelings more than him, and that's why him put a style in the blood clot in.